Weeks after losing the defamation trial against her ex-husband Johnny Depp, Amber Heard has been facing another legal battle. She is being investigated for allegations of committing perjury in Australia in 2015. Now, it appears that the Australian government has had enough and is about to give the final warning to Amber Heard. The court summons Amber and Johnny for a hearing. Will Amber face jail time for committing perjury? What would be the decision by the Australian government? Keep watching to know more. The Australian government has investigated Amber Heard since the committed perjury in 2015, while attempting to smuggle animals across our border. They are now attempting to bring both Johnny Depp and Amber Heard back to Australia for one final trial, or else. Amber Heard has not only ruined her career by making false and outrageous allegations against Johnny Depp, but also jeopardized Depp's career by lying under oath in Australia. The Australian Department of Agriculture has always been very strict on foreign animal imports, even for domesticated animals like Heard's 2 teacup Yorkshire dogs. Amber Heard smuggled her 2 dogs into Australia in 2015 to avoid the fees and a 10-day quarantine. She later lied to an Australian court under oath, blaming her secretary for failing to file the paperwork. The fired Aquaman actress was given only a warning. Fans were furious over Amber Heard, and they made their views on Twitter. The fan said, "Why is it taking so long? She should have been locked up a long time ago." Another added, "They must make her a model. After that, the UK should make an example of her because she managed to pull the wool over our court's eyes as well. There should be a stop somewhere because she is getting away with it because she's a celebrity. Even more reason to set a good example." One more made a comment that, "If anything happens, I'll believe it. The woman is made of Teflon, so I'm not holding out much hope. Would she be required to return to Australia for a court hearing? But what if she doesn't? Being the subject of an international arrest warrant would be a fascinating development." One more added that, "We have such adorable animals as well as massive agriculture and biodiversity industries in Australia that if Heard's dogs brought in any disease, they would be destroyed. To us, this is not paperwork, it is criminal negligence." Another says, "I hope they give her the book. Thousands of cats and dogs have been quarantined. Used to be 30 days, now 10, much to their owner's chagrin. But for good reason. Rabies, for example. She also did not keep them apart. She took them to a doggy salon." Another user says, "Can I express how seriously we take the sanctity of our most disease-free country? We are proud of and support the strict laws that our government enforces to protect our flora, fauna, and people. The government also enjoys making transgressors public figures." However, images from Amber Heard's private Instagram story were leaked shortly after the trial. She was seen mocking the Australian judge and bragging about sneaking her dogs into the country. During Depp's libel suit against The Sun, Amber Heard's personal assistant, Australia's own Kate James, testified under oath that she not only insisted on Amber Heard declaring her dogs, but that she had all the paperwork ready to go. However, Amber Heard simply refused to submit it because she did not want her dogs quarantined for 10 days. Despite this, Amber Heard thought it would be amusing to poke the proverbial beehive by mocking renowned Australian politician, the Honourable Barnaby Joyce, after he commented on her antics and dog smuggling fiasco. The Australian government responded by putting their foot down, and they are now reportedly about to issue an ultimatum to both Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. According to our sources, Amber and Johnny will be summoned to Australia's federal court for a hearing on the 2015 dog smuggling incident. If they don't comply, they may face a lifetime ban from Australia, which would be devastating to any actor's career. Australia is a popular filming location for Hollywood blockbusters. However, due to substantial government funding and cutting-edge facilities, major studios are increasingly choosing to shoot in the eastern states rather than traditional Hollywood locations. While Johnny Depp must face trial, it is unlikely that it'll have an impact on his relationship with Australia, nor will he face the same legal consequences as Amber Heard. During Johnny Depp's defamation trial against Amber Heard in Virginia, enough evidence was presented to prove that both dogs belonged to Amber Heard and that she smuggled them into Australia on her own violation in 2015. Amber gave the impression that she was not being honest and was not taking the situation seriously during the video in which she apologized. This gave the impression that she was disrespecting the Australian government and people. Do you think Amber should be given a strict punishment for committing perjury? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more.